What's up, you guys? Right now I'm in New York City and I found the coolest arcade. This place is called Party, and as you can see there's a bunch of claw machines. But the coolest thing here right now is these mystery box vending machines. Now there's one right here that's a $20 one, mystery box. I'm pretty sure you select whatever you want and you get it, and I don't know what's inside of it. And then this one's a $10 mystery box vending machine. And then this one is $5. Now, you might be wondering, am I gonna play all three? Yes, I am. I'm gonna try the $20 one, the $10 one, and the $5 one and see what we get. Now, I have no idea what's inside these mystery boxes, but that's why I wanna do it. Once again, if you're coming from the main channel, make sure to subscribe because I'm trying to make more vlogs, more arcade content again. And then maybe if I have more time, I'll play these crazy claw machines because they have a lot of options. But you know what, I want to go straight to the point. Should I go for the everybody comment right now, should I go for the $20 one right now? Should I go for the $10 vending machine, or should I go for the $5 one, or should I just keep that for the grand for now? Probably the grand for now, huh? Okay, you know what, let's do the $5 one. Let me take out my, where is the reserves here? Grab this 1 second. Okay, where's the Federal Reserves? Okay, here we go. All right, hopefully it takes dollar bills. Let's show them the little ASMR of the dollar bills. Are you going in? No, you're not. Okay. I guessed that. I thought they probably were only $5. Yeah, oh, that took it. Okay, here we go. We need come on. Yeah, I should have been more prepared for this. I'm so sorry, you guys. Give me a second. Once again, you guys comment right now. What do you think is gonna be in these vending machines? These mystery boxes. The $5 one, I don't know. I bet it's gonna be like plastic glasses. Hey, are you gonna go inside or are you gonna be stubborn? Probably like plastic glasses, probably like a plastic toy. How much is that? That's $4 in. And then the last but not least, the $5 one. Get it. Oh God, sorry guys, give me 1 second. Right there, okay. All right, now I'm pretty sure as you pick it, you come over here and you pick your choice of whatever you think is what's gonna be. Now, what do you guys think? Top, middle, bottom? That's a tough choice, But you know what? I'm probably gonna go for maybe the middle one. Here we go. Hopefully something good, $5. I can't wait for the $20 one right there. Are we vending machine? Oh, hey. Ooh, oh, we're vending. Oh, we're vending machining. Here you go, grab this. All right. Once again, you guys, comment your guesses what's gonna be in the $5 mystery box here in Flushing in New York. Now, I don't know. Here we go. Maybe you guys see it for the first. I won't see it, then you guys, and I'll see it next, okay? 3, 2, 1. What is it? What is it? Oh! What the heck? Socks? I'm actually really surprised right now because with $5, I thought it'd be like a plastic glasses or like a toy. Socks is not that bad. And they're really soft. Look at the logo on this. What the heck? I'm guessing these are maybe designer maybe? And they're pink too, I like pink. And these, what is this? We got, that's actually, now I'm really wondering what the $20 one is gonna be. Okay, let me put my box right here. And now we're going for the $10 one right now, okay? Okay, here we go. Once again, I'm so sorry. I'm not trying to be really loud because there's people here and you know how I get when I'm vlogging. I scream on top of my lungs, but I have to respect everybody. So let's go for this one right here. Let me show them. Same setup, you guys. Just a vending machine with mystery boxes. And once again, this place is called Party, P-A-R-T-E-A, I believe so. Or is it Play Date? I gotta tell you guys that. I'm pretty sure it's Party. But yeah, let's try this. It seems like people have played already, so there's some missing out, sellout. But maybe this time we should go for the bottom one, okay? All right, here we go. Let's put this $10 bill in here. Ooh, hey, come on. Why do they act stubborn? Come on, get inside here. You staying? Oh no, come on. If not, we're gonna have technical difficulties. Stay. Come on, sir. Please work. Ooh, it worked. Okay. Okay, so the other one, we went for the middle one. Let's go for the bottom row. Maybe that one has more luck. Okay, here we go. You guys, what would you guys pick? First, second, third, fourth? What would you guys pick? I'm going for my lucky number 3. Here we go, 3rd. And then we pay. Oh my God. Oh, jeez. Oh. You know, I've always wanted to find a mystery, like a mystery vending machine box. Now I know it all happens like in Japan, they have a bunch of like mystery vending machines, but this already, we got socks, so this is gonna be freaking awesome. Let's try this out. You guys see it first before I see it, okay? There you go. 3, 2, 1. Yo, for 10? A Hello Kitty pouch, a belly pouch. Look at that. For 10 bucks, that's not bad. Now I'm really wondering what the $20 one's gonna be, but this is actually pretty cool. Hello Kitty, I mean, that's trademarked. I'm actually really surprised. Okay, once again, we have one more machine. So like I said, if you guys put all your guesses in the comment section, let me know what's gonna be in the $20 vending machine. When I was checking on Yelp for like the coolest claw machines, coolest arcades, I saw this vending machine. I'm like, I love mysteries, and it looks like no one has really played except for that one. Now we have no idea what they got in here, but we also don't have no idea what's gonna be in these mystery boxes. God, I'm so excited right now. Now, okay, which should I pick now? We went for the middle, we went for the bottom, but we could also go for the top. Maybe we should go right next to the other person, or we could mess with the whole setup, because the whole setup looks nice. But me getting one in the middle or like that, then it's like, messes it up. But right next to it, maybe they messed up and this one next to it has something even better than the first one. But for $20, that's a lot. Let's see what happens. Oh God, I am scared out of my mind. Where is the key? Grab this. I can't. $20, you guys. Let's see what we get with $20 vending machine box going in. Here we go. Let's show them the ASMR. Get closer. Oh God, I'm scared. Take it. Take it. No, don't accept it. Don't accept it. No. Okay, you know what? I'm actually pretty happy with the stuff that we got so far. Like I said, we got socks and we got a little personal pouch. What is it? It is called a fanny pack. I'm sorry I don't wear fanny packs, but probably now I'll probably wear a fanny pack. But here we go, you guys. Let's go for the $20 mystery vending machine box and see what we get. Here we go, going in right next to it. Let's see what we get. Bang, and we are all set. Oh my God. Oh, wow, that sounded heavy. That sounded really heavy. Once again, you guys, if you guys are excited and wondering what's gonna be in it, I have no idea too as well. Hopefully I'm not messing up the name. Is it called Playdate NYC? I'm sorry, you guys, I really had to make sure that this place is called Party, so I don't mess it up and it's not called Playdate, because I keep reading everywhere it says Playdate NYC. So anyways, this thing is huge. Let's see what we get. Grab these. Oh, it sounded heavy. Now it's light now. Really light. Did something fall out of it? It's really light for 20 bucks. The other ones felt more heavier. Okay, here we go. $20 mystery box. Let's see what we get. 3, 2, 1. Redeem for 1 portable massage gun. Okay, as I was reading this, and now it's in my mind now, I thought I was gonna say redeem for 1 personal massage. I was like, for 20 bucks, I don't want a massage, but a massage gun. And that's pretty cool. You know, I actually have a massage gun. It cost me like, I think like 50. No, actually 100 bucks. It was a really good one, but a portable massage gun for 20 bucks. Now I'm really interested in another one, Chess, but I already spent, what, $35 on the mystery vending machines. But, okay, you know what? Massage gun, that's not bad. It says this voucher has no cash value. Okay, so we'll just get the massage gun. All right, let me redeem the massage gun and see how it looks like. Also, guys, as I'm waiting, this is the whole place. They have tea, boba, everything, which looks pretty nice, and it smells really good in here, man. I don't know what they're doing in here, but they're doing something right. And all this tea looks really good. I have this. Thank you. Ooh, massage gun. Where is it gonna go? Where is it going? No way. Oh, sick. That's cool, man. Oh, sick. Yes, thank you. Whoa. Now, the question is, was $20 worth the massage gun? I think so. That's pretty cool. I thought it'd be like a light massage gun or maybe like a cheap one. This actually looks pretty heavy duty. Deep massage to relax muscles. Now I have 2 massage guns. I don't know if you guys want to search this up like on the internet. It just, there's really no name, just Fascal Gun SK168. Comment if I got my money's worth or maybe it's cheaper. I don't know, but that's actually pretty cool. I like this. Okay, I think I had enough. I spent $35 on these mystery vending machine boxes, and I think this is the funnest, coolest vending machines I've ever seen. So once again, if you guys are in NYC, search up part-time and you come to these mystery boxes, vending machine, however you say it. But once again, if you guys did enjoy this video, I'm trying to get back into making arcade videos and doing random vlogs. So if you guys did like this stuff, let me know down below in the comments. Subscribe to the vlog channel, and if you're coming from the main channel, thank you guys. Like the video, and as for that, I'm gonna probably massage my legs right now because I've been walking a lot today in New York City. We'll see you guys on the next one. Goodbye.